Welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. Happy holidays, everyone. Today, I want to show you how to create this elegant centerpiece using a wine bottle. This centerpiece will look absolutely perfect at your holiday party this year. Wine bottle Christmas decorations also make great gifts this season. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So to create my centerpiece, I'm going to use this wine bottle that I got from a thrift store, but any wine bottle would do. And I'm going to be using these tea light candle holders. These are from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my bottle in Mod Podge, and then I'm going to cover it in glitter. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this. If I can give you one advice is you can paint the bottle white first, and then you can add the glitter, and this way you don't have to add 2 coats of glitter. Now I'm going to paint my candle holders white, and then I will add Mod Podge and then glitter on top, and that will save me a lot of time. So now to decorate my bottle, I'm going to be using this silver diamond wrap and some of this flower mesh. And what I did was I cut a 5-row strip of the diamond wrap, and I'm going to glue it to the bottom of my bottle. Now I'm going to take a single row of my flower mesh, and I'm going to glue it right above my diamond wrap. Okay, let me show you what it's looking so far. Now I'm gonna take some more of my diamond wrap and I'm going to cover the neck of the bottle. Now I'm going to take a single roll of my flower mesh and I'm going to glue it right at the base of the neck of the bottle, right where the diamond wrap ends. Alright, so let me show you. Right here, the diamond wrap looks a little slanted, and that's because the width of the bottle is wider at the top than it is at the bottom. So to fix that, I'm just gonna add some of the flower mesh, but I'm just gonna glue the flowers individually, and that also is gonna create a very cute design. Now I'm going to add another single row of my flower mesh to the bottom of the bottle. Now that my candle holder is completely dry, I'm going to decorate it using some diamond wrap. And for this, I cut a two row strip of the diamond wrap and I added a cute little buckle. I'll put a link in the description box where you can get all these materials. And then I'm going to glue this right on my candle holders. Now I decided to add more of these flowers from the flower mesh. What I did was I separated all of the flowers and I glued them individually because that made it a lot easier to glue them on my bottle and also to create the design that I want to create. When I'm done gluing this, I'll show you the design that I made. But feel free to create whatever design you like. Now here's my design and look how pretty this looks. I love it. Now I'm going to take several flowers from my flower mesh and I'm just going to glue them on my bottle just randomly. Now to add a little more glitz and glamour, I'm going to add some of these rhinestone stickers, and because the glue is really good on these, I'm not going to use any hot glue. I'm just going to glue them randomly on my bottle. Look how gorgeous my bottle looks. It looks amazing. I'm going to be using this bottle for my New Year's Eve centerpiece this year. Now you can display this bottle as is because it's really beautiful, or you can use it as a centerpiece and decorate it. I'm going to be using some silver fern that I got from Dollar Tree and some silver berries, and then I'm gonna put my centerpiece together. And as I mentioned earlier, you can make this and give it to someone as a gift, especially for wine lovers. I'm sure they would appreciate to have a beautiful bottle just like this one. Now I'm going to add these battery operated lights to my candle holders. And here you have it, my friends. This is a gorgeous centerpiece that you can make, very inexpensive but very, very beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching.